Hi guys, welcome. It's me, Chrissy. Today we're doing a little church snowy scene. I hope you enjoy this, guys. I had fun doing this one. I'm working on an 11x8 canvas. I'm just putting some Payne's grey and a bit of indigo blue onto the background sky, and I'm using the same colour for the mountains also. And I'm soft blending them out with my mop brush. So I'm just using more Payne's grey here just to get a shadow for the basis of the snow on the foreground. And just a nice soft blend so there's no high spots. So I'm using a soft filbert brush here. I'm just adding a bit of titanium white mixed with a bit of that blue just to put a little bit of snow on the caps of the mountains there. Just give it some atmospheric perspective. A bit of layer on my clouds. I'm not overdoing them because we're going to, as you can see now, we're going to put some trees in, some fir trees. I'm just using a really dark blue here, using a fan brush. I'm just getting them all in and all blocked in. As you can see, I'm not filling it all in. You can still peek through the trees and see the background. But I just wanted that nice dark contrast. So I've just dusted them with a little bit of snow here, not too much, because I want the contrast to be visible. So I'll just put a little bit of snow there. Another layer there of that Payne's grey with some indigo blue and titanium white mix. I just added a little bit of mist at the bottom there and added a bit more contrast. So I've drawn my little church on. I'm just using some buff titanium burnt umber just to get this nice creamy colour here that you can see to block in the little church. Just using an angle brush here, a 1/4 inch angle brush, but any brush you're familiar with will do for this job. I'm not putting too much detail on this because it is set back a little bit, so I'm just putting in a tiny little bit. Using that off purpley blue just to put the actual roof on that we're going to sit the snow on top. That same blue again, that indigo blue, just to put the top of that little cross thing on top of the church. And I've moved to my little detail round brush just to get the little fiddly bits here in the windows and doing the actual framework as well. Just adding yellow and a tiny bit of orange just to give it a little bit of a glow. I want it to stand out against that really nice atmospherical background, as you can see. Using that buff titanium again, just for a bit of glow and yellow and orange in the actual doorway. Then filling in with that dark burnt umber colour. I'm going back to my little, oh no, I've still got my round brush, sorry. So I've let all that dry before I added my snow, but I still tinted the snow again with a little bit of blue and just a thin layer. I didn't put too much paint on my brush. As you can see here, just dusting the snow with the flat brush. Very little paint, just spreading it around so you got a nice dusting colour. And I've had a bit of purple there because I thought it would be a nicer colour as well because you got the orange in the actual house. So the purple and orange look really nice together. Bit darker as we come down, so I've put a bit more of that blue in there. So I've got to put my Christmas tree in. So I want the nice contrast there as well. Just a bit of light reflecting there on the snow from the windows. So come in with a lighter colour now just to get the snow on, but it's not a pure white, it's still an off white because snow isn't a pure white colour. Not when you're painting it anyway. And this is a real fun one. I mean, if you want to recreate my paintings, you can do by all means. I'm just airbrushing here, just a little bit of mistiness going on, just to push everything back a little bit. So I want my tree to stand out. And if you like any of my paintings, you can recreate them, like I said. You can share them on your social media page. If you tag me in, I'm on Instagram, I'm on Twitter, and I also have a Facebook group as well you can join. And you're more than welcome to share your art in there as well. All them links are in the description box below. So now putting my little fern tree in, I've used a really dark green here. I'm using that little angle brush just to get the little twiggy bits sticking up. I'm filling it all in, but not a block mass. I've still left some little gaps, like you can see. I've just filled it more in the centre. I've just done a little branch there because I think that really brings the painting in and captures it really nice for your eye to draw in, and then down towards the church. So yeah, I'm just putting some faint yellowy green on for my Christmas baubles, just with that little round brush. So I'm going to decorate this tree. Of course, it's Christmas. I'm using some white there and some purple as well, some nice lavender colour. And then I changed to some red, which looks nice with the green. And I've just lightened that red to a pinky colour as well. So I've just gone a bit brighter with some. So I started off pretty dull, and then I've worked my way up to adding more white and more contrast and more saturation to the colours. I say, I hope you enjoy this, guys. I enjoy painting this for you. If you do, just leave us a thumbs up. I really appreciate that as well. And a little star on top, just a twinkly little star. A bit of snow on that little branch coming in there, but not too much. I'm brightening some of them pink baubles because I wanted them to stand out a little bit more. I've just gone with a brighter pink colour. And there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this and I appreciate all your likes and your shares, and I'll see you real soon. On screen now are 2 videos you may like to watch, and if you're not already subscribed, click on my face and be sure to click the icon bell to get a notification. As always, thanks for watching and create something wonderful. See you all soon on my next video.